Hey y'all, hey, happy Wednesday. I know I haven't recorded for y'all in a while because I had been sick. I just went back to the gym today. But I want to do an unboxing with you guys. I got a gift from my big brother. He bought me a microwave. Not only just a microwave, a pink microwave because that's what I requested. And this was my housewarming gift to my apartment that I'm in now. The microwave is right here. I am in my house clothes. Yeah, so I did work out today, y'all. Today was my first day back of working out. And I stopped on the Stairmaster about 7 or 8 times. Simply because that was my first time being back on. Because I had got sick Sunday. So yeah. I don't want to make this part too long. Hold on. This is the microwave plate. Make sure I sit this up here because I don't want to drop the bad boy. I'll be mad as heck. This is the thing that it spins on. Y'all know to make it go round. It's so pretty. Instruction, quick start guide. Let me see if I can get it out of here with one try. No, hold on. Okay. This is the microwave. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's pink, y'all. Hold on. I usually don't turn on my big light, but I gotta let y'all see this. Hold on. This is my pink microwave. I love it so much. Cannot wait to use it. So yeah.